sponsored this lecture in Sharon's honor. She was, for 27 years, a beloved professor of biology. She was chair of the biology department for 6 years. This lecture is in large part dedicated to her memory and the work that she did, but it's also a testament to the vision and the generosity of Ed Blank and his family. And so I want to thank you again, as we've done since 2006, for your generosity in sponsoring this and your vision for making this explicitly a lecture that speaks to the whole people. So thank you, Ed.
My name is Marina Mila, and I'm majoring in biology. And I'm this year's Sharon D. Cosloy's undergraduate research scholarship recipient. In the future, I would like to pursue a Ph.D. in biomedical research to advance women's health, particularly in reproductive health.
Today I'm going to talk about how mosquitoes find and bite people and the biology by which they prefer some people over others, and specifically what happens under the skin when they are probing and trying to find our blood.
Vosshall joined the faculty of Rockefeller in 2000 and now serves as the Robin Chemers Neustein Professor and head of the Laboratory of Neurogenetics. As a mentor, institutional leader, and advocate for equity and open science, she has influenced the culture of modern biology as much as its discoveries. Through her work at Rockefeller and HHMI, she continues to expand both the frontiers of knowledge and the structures that support the next generation of scientists.